Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Before I get started with this video, I just wanted to say thank you so much for 300 subscribers. It means a lot to me. I know it's not like a huge number, you know, it's not like 1,000, 100,000, 1 million, but I don't know, it just means a lot to me, okay? I felt special when I woke up this morning and I saw that we'd finally hit 300. I was like, oh, people like me. Yeah, thank you so much if you are subscribed. If you're not subscribed, honestly, I don't blame you, but you know, it's the season of giving, so if you want to just like give me that subscribe, if you want to tap it, a little tap, go ahead. But yeah, again, just thank you so much. I really appreciate it. So for today's video, I'm going to go through my hair care routine with you guys. This is what my hair looks like. Usually I like pin it back or something, but I wanted to show you guys what it looks like as is. So if I kind of look like Jesus Christ himself, that is why. I feel like I finally found my like holy grail products for my hair type. Everything that I use in my routine, you can find it at drugstores or just beauty supply stores, but nothing in my routine is over $15, so I got you. I'm here for you, okay? So as for what my hair type is, I would say I'm 2B, sometimes 2A, and I'll put up some pictures of what that looks like on other people. And it's crazy because my sister's hair is like sleek, straight, and it's so nice. And we always say, like, I always tell her, oh, I want your hair, and then she always tells me, well, I want your hair. So it's kind of this thing with hair is that you always want what you don't have, but oh well. Okay, so the first step that I do as part of my hair routine, and I don't know if you want to count this or not, I like to use these vitamins. These are Centrum MultiGummies, Multi Plus Beauty. Now, I want to say something. YouTube, if you are watching this, stop giving me ads for these vitamins, okay? Because I already use them, and I swear to God, like every video I watch, the ad is for these vitamins. It's that girl, she's like, I love how it ends or whatever, and she's like getting ready, and then she's like, but I also love where it begins. That's why I use Centrum Multi-Gummies. Oh my god, that's actually pretty good. If you know the commercial I'm talking about, let me know. So these are good for your hair, skin, and nails. They have 2,500 mcgs of biotin in them. That really helps grow your nails, grow your hair. And I know a lot of people think that stuff like this is kind of like a scam or just like a marketing ploy, but I've actually noticed a difference. Recently I chopped off all my hair, so I can't tell you if my hair is growing yet, but in terms of my nails, now my whole life my nails have been so awful because as a child I used to bite them, but now a few of them are broken because of work. Like my nails always break at work, so you know, the ones I use the most are broken, but in general, like, they're pretty long. And just the other day my sister told me, she said, I think this is the longest that I've ever seen your nails. Maybe just placebo effect, but as far as I can tell, they're working. So now in terms of when I wash my hair, I try not to wash it too often, but obviously work with your schedule. So if you are someone who is going to the gym every day, you should probably wash your hair. But do I do that? No. So I wash my hair every other day or every 2 days. It just depends on, again, what I'm doing, where I went. So if you have wavy or curly hair, you know that brushing it once it's already dry is like the biggest no-no, because your hair will go from looking like this to looking like this. Alright, I don't really brush my hair. So the only time that I really do brush my hair is right before I get in the shower to wash my hair. And when I do this, I brush it for maybe a few minutes. I'll put on like a JK News video or something, and while I'm watching, I'll just keep brushing my hair like over and over again. When you brush your hair a lot and for long periods of time, it stimulates growth. And even though, like I said, I recently chopped off all of my hair, so as you can see, it's pretty short. I'm already trying to regrow it, so that's what I've been doing, and it helps. The other benefit of brushing your hair for, you know, a long period of time especially applies if you have longer hair. I tend to notice that my ends can get kind of dry, and when you are brushing your hair, you're actually, it sounds kind of nasty, but you're taking the oil from your roots and you're spreading it along the shaft. Is that what it's called? Like the shaft, like your hair shaft, right? But yeah, so when you do that, you're spreading the oil all the way down to your ends, and then your ends are actually getting more hydrated than if you were to just hop in the shower without brushing your hair at all. What I also do, I have this like massage thing. It has like the little balls on the end, and I will take this and just like go around my scalp, and like it feels so nice. Like I feel like a dog, like you know when you pet dogs, like they're just like, they feel so good. That's how I feel using this. I'll just use it for a few minutes, again after brushing or in combination with brushing, it just depends. Okay, so once I actually get in the shower, I alternate between these two. So the first one is the Whole Blends Repairing Shampoo, and that is this one right here. The second one is the Garnier Whole Blends Smoothing Shampoo. I do straighten my hair quite a bit. I've been better at it recently. I've been trying not to do it as much, but on days where I know I'm going to be straightening my hair the next day, I'll use the repairing one just because I feel like it gives my hair a little extra strength, you know? But on regular days, I would just go in with the smoothing one. And I really like these because they're more on the natural side, but they're not like $40 made of actual tree bark kind of natural, you know what I'm saying? These ones, they're paraben free, but they're not sulfate free, so if that's something that matters to you, you might want to try something else. But for the price and the benefits, I really love these guys. And they also smell so good. And something else that I do when I shampoo that really helps keep my hair moisturized and not get as dry, I try to really concentrate the shampoo on my roots because that's where all the dirt is. If you're cleaning like the ends of your hair, you don't need to apply shampoo to them because the shampoo while you're washing it will naturally like drip down. I don't know if that makes sense, but hopefully it did. I know a lot of people with curly and wavy hair recommend flipping your hair upside down. I don't know why I had to demonstrate, but yeah, I know a lot of people with curly or wavy hair recommend flipping your hair upside down in the shower while you wash it. Now, I'm sure that works. They say it helps to add volume. If you're like me, you have an irrational fear that if you close your eyes in the shower, someone is gonna come up behind you and kill you. So I tend not to do that. I don't know, I feel like the girl from The Grudge is like, once I flip my hair over and once I flip it back, I feel like the girl from The Grudge is gonna be in front of me and then that's how I die. So I don't do that, but I do have other ways of adding volume that I will talk about later. So while I have shampoo in my hair, I'll go in with a wide tooth comb, kind of like this. And it's important that you don't brush your hair when it's wet, okay? So don't take, do I have one here? I don't, okay. But don't take a regular hairbrush with you in the shower because you will ruin your hair, okay? As you probably already know, your hair is the most fragile when it's wet. You don't want to be taking a brush and just like ripping through it. To help disperse my shampoo, I'll just kind of comb it through with a comb. And it just helps your scalp actually get clean. It also helps to untangle your hair because like I said, when your hair texture is similar to mine, you don't want to be brushing it once it's already dried and like set because then you'll ruin everything, right? So that's why I detangle in the shower, not after. Next, I want to talk about conditioner. So this is the one that I've been using recently. This is by Maui Moisture and this is their Curl Quench Coconut Oil Conditioner. Just about how to try to say that. This one is one of those like totally natural ones. No parabens, no sulfates, no silicones, no gluten, no sulfated surfactants, no synthetic dye, and no mineral oil. So this one is like definitely like the hippie conditioner. This conditioner works really well and I got it on sale for about $10, so you know, you can still have something that's on the natural side but doesn't break the bank, so I really appreciate it. I really focus my conditioner on kind of the bottom half of my hair, and then with whatever product is left on my fingers, I'll kind of sweep it around my roots, but I don't actually like dig in with conditioner on my roots because I find that is how your hair can sometimes look a little flat. Yeah, if you haven't heard of this brand before, I would definitely recommend them. They have a bunch of different ones for different concerns. So on the bottle it says yes vegan, yes eco-friendly, yes pure coconut water, yes pure aloe juice. And because this one is, like I said, super natural, it doesn't smell amazing. I think you can definitely smell the aloe in it, but I mean I don't mind because it does the job. So the next thing that I do once I get out of the shower, I wrap my hair up in this bad boy. Okay, it's not clean, but I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like anyways. This is kind of like a special towel designed for drying hair. This one is by a company called Studio Dry, I guess. Yeah, I wish you guys could feel this through the camera. Like, It is super soft. Like, I just want to hug it. So if you don't already know, normal towels, the fibers in them can kind of damage your hair. Even if they don't damage it, they definitely make your hair more frizzy because you have all these little fibers that are like grabbing onto your hair when you dry it. So that's why I don't use regular towels. I use things like this. If you don't feel like buying something like this, even though it was like really cheap, you could always use a cotton t-shirt. My parents were kind of getting annoyed at me for ruining a bunch of t-shirts by like twisting them up and like soaking them with my hair. So I just got this. This really keeps frizz at bay. So before I get out of the shower, I'll turn my hair upside down and kind of twist it and gently wring out the water. And then I'll wrap it up in this, twist it, wrap it, and then I kind of have my little like towel turban going on. So I pretty much leave my hair wrapped up like that for as long as it takes me to like brush my teeth, do my skincare routine, moisturize my body. I don't have any footage of that, but I know you'd want to see it. So I'll leave it in for as long as it takes me to do that, which could sometimes be like anywhere from 5 to 20 minutes depending on how I feel. If I really want extra volume, I'll leave it wrapped up like that for like half an hour, 40 minutes. I've heard you can get sick like keeping your wet hair like that, but it helps with volume. So do you want good hair or good health? You decide. Okay, so once I take this off, that was so dramatic, I just dropped it on the floor. So once I take that off, I go in with, this is by Cantu. This is their Define and Shine Custard. This is another one of those products that has no sulfates, silicones, or parabens. This stuff is very like, oh, what's the word? Gelatinous. So what I'll do is I will again turn my hair upside down and I'll take some just in between my fingers. So something to do when you are applying hair products is don't put them in the palm of your hand, because when you're working things into your hair, you're using your fingers, you're not using your palms, you know? You're not like... Yeah, so I take some on my fingers and kind of rub it while my hair is upside down. Let me try and demonstrate for you. So I will turn my hair upside down, and then when I have it in my fingers, I'll kind of scrunch my hair up like this and just kind of hold it for a little bit, let go, go in with some more product. Hair and my lip gloss. So scrunching your hair kind of helps your curls to form. That being said, if your hair is naturally straight and you scrunch your hair, you're not going to end up with curls, okay? That's not how it works, but it's just if your hair naturally has a little bit of texture, scrunching it up really helps to enhance it. I'll do that for a few minutes. There is no like set time, I'll just go in. And then after that, we're pretty much at the last step. I will just spray the bottom half of my hair with this. This is the Schwarzkopf. Schwarzkopf? I don't know how to say it, but I'll leave it here in writing. This is their Gliss Hair Repair Oil, Nutritive, Weightless Oil. This is what it looks like. As you can see, this bottle is already halfway done. Now, when I tell you guys that I love this stuff, this is my 4th bottle, I think, and I got 2 more on backup, okay? Like, I'm not playing around. This stuff is so good. You know what? I might actually put some on right now. So yeah, I'll just take some on the bottom half of my hair. This oil, it helps with frizz and it also helps to add some extra shine, which I feel like textured hair can kind of lack sometimes. So yeah, I really like this. And when they say weightless, they mean weightless, okay? I tried a few other hair oils from the drugstore. I know OGX makes one and I didn't like it, to be honest. It was not weightless. It felt very heavy and thick on my hair, but this one really feels like nothing. It's so nice. It also smells amazing. So I also use this on days when I'm straightening my hair. Once I'm done straightening my hair, it can look kind of dry sometimes. So using this oil really helps that. It helps it look like nice and glossy and shiny and I don't know, like extra shiny. It's really good. And it makes your hair also very soft. I've noticed that as well. Unlike the other products in my routine, this one is not quite as natural, but I don't really mind. Honestly, think that's it for this video, which is crazy because I've only been sitting here for like 15 minutes and usually when I film like tutorials I'm here for like an hour and a half. But yeah, like I said, I am trying to grow back my hair, so if you guys have any recommendations for what would help with that and just help to keep your hair healthy while you're trying to grow it all the way out, I would definitely appreciate it. I think that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you guys next time. Bye!